Welcome to Mathematics with Suleiman, and in today's video I'm going to discuss paper 1 of last year 2025, the last question 11 on probability, and in this case the counting principles. Right, this question comes from the basic education paper of last year, May-June 2025, question 11. The counting principles. Question 11. Consider the three-digit numbers from 501 up to 999. How many of these three-digit numbers have exactly 15 in them? 11.2. Calculate the probability of a three-digit number not satisfying the condition given in question 11.1. So let's look at step 1, hundreds digit possibilities. Since numbers go from 509 to 999, the hundreds digits can be a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, a 9. So we count cases carefully. So case 1, the hundredth digit is 5. So from 5 to have exactly 15, the tens and unit digits cannot be 5. Tens digit, 9 choices from 0 to 9 except 5. Unit digits will have 9 choices. So therefore, 9 times 9 is 81. But numbers must be from 501 upwards. So we must exclude 500. So therefore, we must take 1 away. So therefore, in case 1, only 80. In case 2, 10th digit is 5. 100 digits cannot be 5. 100 digits is 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 choices in other words. Unit digits, any digit except 5. So there should be 9 choices. So therefore 4 times 9 is 36. And case number 3, unit digit is 5. So 100 digits cannot be 5. Remember, 100 digit is 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 4 choices. 10 digits, any digit except 5. So there should be 9 also. So therefore also 4 times 9 is 36. So there you are. So total amount then will be the 80 in case 1 plus 36 in case 2 plus 36 in case 3. So therefore a total of 152. So there are 152 digits from 501 to 99 with exactly one digit 5. Or another way to do the same problem is 501 to 599 will give you 99 minus 10 minus 9, and that gives you 80 possibilities. 601 to 699 will be 9 plus 9, which is 18 possibilities of having a 5 in the 10th digit or unit digit. Thus 601 to 699 will then be 4 times 18. So there you are. So the possibles will then be 4 times 18 plus the 80, which is also 150. 11.2, so calculate the probability of a three-digit number not satisfying the condition given in 11.1. So P not having such a number will therefore be then 1 minus a 152, the probability of 152 over 499. And that gives you 347 over 499, which of course is 0.7. Thanks for watching this video with Mathematics with Suleiman. This was question 11 on the probability as well as the counting principles. And this is then also the last video for paper 1. My next video will be on paper 2. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because subscription is free, don't forget. And with your subscription, it will make it easier for me to produce more similar videos.